The timing is perfect. Using time expressions with present perfect continuous. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English verb tenses. Today, we are focusing on the present perfect continuous tense, specifically how we use common time expressions with affirmative sentences. This topic is going to enhance your fluency and understanding of the English language, so let's dive right in. Before we move into time expressions, let's remind ourselves about the present perfect continuous tense. It's formed with has, have been, plus verb ing. And we use it to express an action that started in the past, continues in the present, and may still be happening. For example, I have been studying English for 2 years. In this example, the action of studying English started 2 years ago and is still ongoing. Affirmative sentences, simply put, are sentences that affirm or state something. They're usually structured as subject plus has, have plus been plus verb ing. An example of an affirmative sentence in the present perfect continuous tense is, they have been playing football since morning. Now that we understand the tense and sentence structure, let's move to the meat of our discussion, time expressions. These phrases provide specific information about when and for how long an action has been occurring. Subsection 3.1. Since. The first time expression we'll discuss is since. Since is used when we refer to a specific point in the past when the action started. For instance, we have been waiting here since 2 o'clock. Subsection 3.2. For. Next, we have for. For is used when we talk about a duration of time. Example, he has been sleeping for 3 hours. Subsection 3.3. All day, all morning, all week, etc. These phrases are used to show that an action has been happening continuously throughout a certain period. For example, she has been working all day. To better understand, let's take a look at some more examples combining the present perfect continuous tense, affirmative sentences, and time expressions. 1. I have been reading this book since Tuesday. 2. They have been living in Berlin for 5 years. 3. She has been practicing piano all morning. 4. We have been driving all day. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to create your own sentences. And there we have it. By now, you should have a better grasp of how to use common time expressions with affirmative sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. I hope this video has been helpful and adds more fluency to your English language journey. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more English learning videos. Happy learning!